We've got the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. I'm going to be using it on an iPad Pro 4th generation, but we're going to be talking about this pencil. So this pencil, in my opinion, is the best stylus for any tablet. You can see it's very true to how a traditional pencil works on our blank canvas here, and it's very satisfying. It's very smooth, and there's really not much I can say about it. The difference between this and the 1st generation is the 1st generation had to be plugged in. This one does not, so that's really useful, and it's durable. I guess the only thing would be just make sure you have a place. So I've got a case here on the iPad that the pencil fits right in, just like that. And then you can see it's charging now too on the screen there. It just popped up and said it was charging. So make sure you have something like that. You don't want to lose this guy. But it's just got really great feel in the hand. I've got bigger hands, but it still feels really nice to my hand here, and just feels really smooth on the iPad. So I highly recommend the Apple Pencil.